Work-at-home assembly jobs are of many kinds. If you are one among the many people who are now taking interest in this kind of work, you will be glad to know that there are so many kinds of assembly works that you can choose from. Work-at-home assembly jobs offer a broad spectrum of interest. However, let me again caution those who might wish to try jumping from one kind of product assembly work to another just to try if what kind of job would best fit him or her. For women who might be interested to use their sewing machines at home, they can choose products that would have them assemble products through sewing. Women who might be interested to assemble those glittering synthetic stones and gems can always opt to work in jewelry assembly work-at-home jobs. There are also assembly jobs for women, whose artistic ability in crafts can be made use of, like in assembling of shell craft products, assembling of artificial flowers and other home beautifying craft products. Work-at-home assembly jobs are not for those trial-and-error guys or gals. Work-at-home assembly jobs are serious work. Thus, if you want to earn money while enjoying your work at home, try first to know what kind of assembly work you would like to work in and pick the best job that you feel you are comfortable with in working. Every company would like its work-at-home assembly jobs worker feel comfortable and interested in the work that he will be doing. These companies believe that happy workers produce more and better quality products. Most men would also go for toys assembly. Toys that are most preferred by men to assemble are those battery and mechanical toys. Assembly of these toys will make the worker use tools like screwdrivers, pliers, cutters, soldering gun, lead solders. The use of simple electric meter is also used in testing and assembling of battery-operated toys. For mechanical toys, like friction and winding powered toys, pliers, long nose and screwdrivers are the most common tools used in its assembly. In this end, companies are now spending for quality instructional materials and tools to make work-at-home assembly jobs attractive to many people. They also have developed videos on their respective sites about their products, and how easy and comfortable will it be for people who would work for them through work-at-home assembly jobs. The videos will also show the instructional guides that companies are giving out to new recruits for them to follow in their assembly work. The assembly of home items such as foldable ceiling fans, patio folding chairs and tables and other home foldable items can also be men, while women can concern themselves in the assembly of other home products such as artificial flowers and home decors and even wall-mounted plastic decorative vases. These various products that will be worked on by assembly work-at-home workers are all subject to market demands. Thus, companies are always looking for additional assembly work-at-home workers once Christmas season comes near because of the increased sales of their products, especially products that are closely related to the holiday season like toys and electronic products for gift-giving purposes. From these videos alone, a prospective applicant can already determine what kind of work she will be faced with the moment she signs on as home worker for one of the many work-at-home assembly jobs now being offered by many companies. Prospective applicants can also see from the video how easy the work can be once a home worker can already get used to working on the assembly of products by following the set of instructions furnished to him by the company. Actually, these videos that individual companies have created in their sites have greatly increased the volume of applicants for work-at-home assembly jobs. Thus, an applicant who would want to make sure that he can be interested and comfortable with the kind of assembly work that he will choose will only have to visit the sites of these companies and see for himself the actual work being done by a home assembly worker on a particular kind of product. So, if you cannot still make up your mind if what product you would like to choose to work on, simply do what other workers did to choose the right kind of work for them. All that they did was to choose 3 products that they are most interested in, like for example stuffed toys assembly, jewelry assembly and shell craft assembly. They would then visit the sites of these companies and view the actual home assembly process of each product. From these videos, they can then decide if what to choose from among the 3 work-at-home assembly jobs that they are interested to work in. Some companies, in order to encourage assembly work-at-home workers to increase production, would go to the extent of giving some sort of bonus to those who may be able to reach a particular target of assembled products for a particular period of time. Others may choose to give some form of material benefits, while others may increase the rate they pay the workers after some level of targeted volume have been reached. Each company has its own system when it comes to encouraging its assembly work-at-home workers to produce more assembled products.